What was that? Did you see the glasses?
I know.
I'm Professor Green, and I'm here at Samsung KX. Let's look at how low-waste cooking can shape the future of food.
We have some lovely seasonal mushrooms here. I'm gonna fry that off in the oven with some herbs and some garlic, and then I'm gonna make a really quick, creamy polenta. The herbs are from the indoor garden. I picked them myself. You can even grow mushrooms indoors. I think it's a bit of a future food. I think, generally speaking, for our future, it would be better if everyone could eat a lot less meat and a lot less animal product.
I did notice the distinct lack of meat.
Yeah.
Should we get started with the cooking?
Yeah.
So this is where technology comes in.
This is where technology is. Everything is connected into this one device. It's great because I can control the heat right from my phone. So I'm going to grill these mushrooms in the oven, and then I'm going to dress them with some soy sauce and add a little bit of chili, and then we'll finish them off. Ooh! Have you seen the fridge?
Not yet, but Andy's going to take me through the fridge shortly.
It's pretty incredible, actually.
What's going on over here?
The thing I love about this Samsung Family Hub is that it'll tell you what's in your fridge. Providing you keep it up to date, you can choose a particular set of ingredients, like let's say bay leaves, eggs, cream cheese. But if you then search for recipes, it would then go off into the World Wide Web, come back with a bunch of recipes for those ingredients that are in the fridge.
I'm going to start by putting a portion of polenta here. Depends on how hungry you are.
Starving.
Okay, a bit more then. I'm just going to spread it across to make a nice bed for our mushrooms.
They smell amazing.
Let's stick them on top. I'm going to add a little bit of balsamic vinegar just to make it look pretty. Here you are.
Thank you very much, Sara. This looks gorgeous. This is just one of many low-waste meals that you can cook at home now. But what are the superfoods of the future?